What are you doing, Lance? Why do you sit like this? What's she doing here? Oh. Again? What are you, gremlins? You multiplying? What is going on here?
The following program is rated PG and may contain scenes of violence, mature subject matter, or language which may be offensive to some viewers. Viewer discretion is advised.
Neil doesn't know there's a cat above her. She ran up this tower really quick from the other guy down there. But I'm wondering what will happen when she notices Lara. Now you notice her? You okay, Neil? You're a good girl, right? Good girl. Ah! Be a good girl.